battle in the world. As far as I'm concerned, the only team that's gonna beat us is yourself. Alright? Remember this, boys. Hard work beats talent. When talent don't work hard. That's what it comes down to, folks. That's all it comes down to, boys. You either gotta believe in with me or do you?
What did you just say?
You either gotta believe in me or you don't. If you don't, go jump off the aircraft carrier.
Shut up!
If you do, and you're here to stay, I'm glad for it. We're all team here. Teammates fight. They rip the enemy to shreds!
Down with Obama.
Says the hobo.
We gotta come out there in the second half. Wait.